G'day guys, it's day 2. We are leaving Dando's campsite and we're heading into forest. Hope you're enjoying this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks to all my subscribers too, I really appreciate it, and see you on the trail soon. So 2022, hope everyone's got some big plans for the year. Mine involve hopefully doing Vic Divide and also a 250-hour yoga teacher training course with 0 Point Yoga in Ocean Grove, so I'm pretty excited about that. Something I've been doing for a few years now. Really like the crossover between this sort of stuff and yoga. Just feeling like I want to learn a bit more in that realm about the body, the connection, energy flows and all that sort of things. Trying to figure out how to integrate that into my channel maybe. If you guys would be interested in seeing some of the journey, let me know, that'd be awesome. That's my year, so let us know in the comments what you got going on for the year. Well, that was a nice experience. I had no idea where the drone was there. Flew away, flew over my head, and then I thought I'd just fly over the trees and then turn around and come back, and I came back and it was obviously not pointing back towards me, and it was way down somewhere, I don't know. It was like a kilometre away. I had to hit the home button and pray, and it came back, so phew! Hopefully there's a couple of nice shots. Down to the Forest Cold Lake Road. So when in Rome, do the red carpet. This has got to be one of the best climbs around. It's just a nice gentle cruise. Red carpet with a bikepacking kit on. We'll see how this goes, eh? Hopefully it's not a bad idea. There we go. That's it. Oh, that's right. Woo! Oh, so good. Red carpet. Oh, the burn. It made them so good. Andy's back of the car. The red carpet was bloody good fun, and I'm heading to the lawn. Now beginning to climb up Love's Road. over to Lawn. Loving my new bottle setup. Can fit 2 bottles and the frame bag, so it's a great little improvement. And they haven't fallen out yet either, which is another bonus. Thought I was at the top. I was mistaken. Always hills. Keep on going. Keep on going. Gotta say, scenery is awesome. It's not a breath of wind up here today, it's just magic. But still hiker biking. It's not too bad the grade now, it's just my legs are getting cooked. Top of the hill, haven't seen anybody for hours, and then 2 cyclists, had a bit of chat, got the local knowledge, and going to bomb it down to Lawn. Well, that car stayed filthy. Just back up the track there, I didn't have the GoPro going because I didn't know what I was coming into. They'd come around the corner and gone straight off the side of the track. Luckily they were all good and their mate pulled them out, so I'm glad they're past me, that's for sure. Stay filthy. Oh, those brakes do not sound good. Well, my brakes are officially cooked. Still working if I go slow. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Still got another 20 k's today. Heaps of time. This is one of those tracks that's not really a track, but friendly face and local fella sent me on the right direction, and now I'm into a serious hiker bike. Oh, hello. So apparently I had about 130 mils of rain out here the other day. Easterly pushed in and dumped it on here, but you wouldn't know. If anything, it's actually cleared the road, it's washed all the leaves off the track, so it's making it even nicer. Take that. Still not easy, I'm hiker biking again. I knew this was going to be brutal, and it is. About bikepacking, you're in the middle of nowhere and you run into people. Like, what's your name, mate? Gabriel, nice to meet you, mate. Gabriel and his mum and dad were going for a walk, and Gabe's going for a ride, and he's killing it up the hill here.
This bike was like, he's only like 3 months old.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, your legs look like you've got some... Jeez, look at that. Look at what's going in there. Jeez, you're smashing it.
In there,
Oh yeah.
you'll be at
The campsite?
campsite, I think.
Awesome, thanks mate.